everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Crypto has characteristic of future value in an ecosystem that is currently struggling to establish its fundamentals. The crypto economy is still waiting for applications that will take full advantage of decentralization without sacrificing the quality and experience, which is especially important for widespread adoption. A payment system where each transaction costs $5 and the exchange value is regularly lost will remain unfeasible until the top cryptocurrencies can be used efficiently for real-world payments and decentralized applications provide a similar level of utility as centralized systems. Crypto will continue to be treated as a growth stock. Inflation is caused by a lack of trust, something crypto still needs. Inflation isn't caused by just printing more money, which is to say that the presence of an asset doesn't automatically cause its value to go down. Between September 20.08 and November 2008, the number of billions of US dollars in circulation tripled, yet inflation went down. Inflation has much more to do with public distrust of the central monetary system. This lack of confidence combined with corporate price gouging, the upheaval caused by pandemic relief packages and significant supply chain disruptions, has landed us US in this run crisis. The big money print of 2021 didn't cause inflation, but it magnified it. In terms of presence, the supply of funds alone is not an overly significant issue for a store of valuable currency. What is stored is not necessarily part of the circulating supply. Gold, for example, exists in large volumes in the form of jewelry, bullion, and so on, but in much smaller volumes on the commodity market, a market that took into account all the mined gold on Earth would have a totally different price. Because these jewelry and bullion are not traded on the market at all, they do not affect the supply and demand curve. The same applies to currency. Inflation is the result of a loss of trust that an asset is able to store its value over a long period of time. Most goods in this world are finite, so every party aware of the rise supply but unsure of the monetary policy will automatically factor into their prices. Inflation becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Crypto as an inflation hedge is possible, but not in the current climate. Cryptocurrency fell as an inflation hedge during times of high volatility and market uncertainty. That say, they generally excel in steady growth environments where they easily outperform the market and where the relatively small market capitalization compared with fiat currencies plays in their favor as a growth stock. Current solution to the problem of usability aren't sustainable due to their speculation-based nature and low transaction volumes. The fall of financially unsound blockchains affects the entire ecosystem, which means that potential long-term solutions keep being derived by scammers. The more responsible and diligent the crypto community becomes, the more for every sound protocol with benefit, and crypto will become a genuine hedge against inflation. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.